So here's the algorithm for that. It is quite illegible, so here's how we execute it. You first start off by holding the cube like this and doing a D' push with the ring finger, like this. Then you rotate and do an L wide using the table, then U', rotate again, L2 wide, then a B with the ring finger, then L wide prime, then you simultaneously do a U with the index finger and a D' with the ring finger. Then you rotate, do L wide using the table, U', rotate again, L2 wide, then a B using the ring finger again, then L wide prime using the table, and a U push to finish it off. In conclusion, it is quite a fun algorithm that you can use to impress your friends or feel the power of table abuse, but I definitely don't recommend you to main it and use it in official competitions because it is really inconsistent. I plan on posting all of the 3x3 algorithms that you should learn for one-handed, and if the video comes out, it should be around here somewhere. And that's about it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.